everybody. We are in Polop today. This is beautiful place and we will show you the villa with 100 square meters in one stories and 100 square meter in the underground. With its personal pool, 400 square meters plot and kitchen equipped and beautiful views. All projects of this developer are situated in Quick Campana Mountains, Polop town. This is custom project with 2 bedrooms and typical project is with 3 bedrooms. There is a wardrobe and a big lounge area with kitchen with entrance to terrace. Another 1 bedroom here and another 1 shower. What is interesting that they are doing here is that there is a barbecue pre-built and very nice big solarium. It's 100 square meters in the first floor and 100 square meters at solarium. Also, for about 60,000 euro you can get extra underground floor, like 40 square meters or bigger for extra money, and a big 3 and 6 meters personal pool. So what is interesting here? You can buy a plot and select some custom details in your house, and you can make a first payment with this developer and get a house in 12 months. This area is very quiet, very personal and very good to live. We welcome you at our channel to get more information about this villa or another villas in this area. Text us and our managers will make their best to make the best service for you. Welcome!